Hello, members of Sequoia Union High School Districts, teachers, and anyone else who is joining us. I just wanted to reach out early and encourage you to download Premiere Rush ahead of time. So I am emailing you this video because you have signed up for my training on Adobe Premiere Rush. And it is usually a little bit more meaningful to try to download it ahead of time. Adobe Premiere Rush is Adobe's answer to Apple's iMovie. It's a simplified editing process, but it does need a computer or device to work on other than a Chromebook. It is not browser-based. So on your PC or laptop, I'm going to walk you through those setups. If you don't have either of those on your smartphone or your tablet, you can download Premiere Rush, and you're still going to have to do the sign-on that I'm going to demonstrate in just 1 second. Okay, so on your PC or Mac that you plan on editing with during our session, please go to adobe.com on any browser. So I'm going to go here, preloaded adobe.com. It's worth mentioning, I have all these steps. I'll have these included in an email to you as well. So if you don't like seeing it in video and you just want to walk through all the steps, they're right here. And you can always email me if you're having trouble. And I actually plan on kind of covering it again in the lecture. And then while we're kind of discussing a few things, hopefully that downloads in time. But again, just so you're not stressing out and multitasking during a lecture, I wanted to get this out to you today. So let's try that again. Go to adobe.com on any browser. All right. And then in the upper right-hand corner, you have a sign in right up here. So find sign in and click on it. When you're prompted, choose continue with Google. Do not start typing in your email address. Choose continue with Google. If you do start typing in with your email address, you'll develop a personal account instead of our corporate account, even if you're using the same email account. All right, so continue with Google, and then with your single sign-on, use your seq.org. If it prompts you for your password, enter your password. And if you get to this stage, please choose Enterprise ID. Enterprise ID. All right, so just to kind of review the steps we've done so far, adobe.com, sign in. You click Continue with Google, and you sign in with your seq.org email. Feel free to pause or rewind this if you missed any of that or if I went too fast. It's the beauty of video. All right, now, my Creative Cloud login already looks different because I've done this multiple times, but yours might look something like this, and you're going to see this is no longer red, it's now a rainbow, but you'll see this thing saying Get Creative Cloud or Open Creative Cloud. You can also go to the waffle icon in the upper right-hand corner if the screen does not look like that, and the first thing you need to do is to download the Creative Cloud app. So you're going to need to download the Creative Cloud app, let it do its thing, open it up, install it, go through all those steps, and then after you have Creative Cloud, you're going to open up Creative Cloud, and then in that Creative Cloud app, you download Premiere Rush. So if you're having trouble finding it under all apps, you can also just search for it. You can also just check video. Now, please do not confuse it with Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro we use in my class, and I know how to use Premiere Pro. That's the next level if we want to go there. But for right now, do Premiere Rush. It's a much simpler and easier way to edit for all of you. So you're going to download it, and then it should install it on itself, but then you should be able to open up Premiere Rush, and you're good to go. If you can do this before our training, fantastic. If you can't, I'll walk us through the steps again. Once again, I will be emailing you a picture that looks similar to this with all the instructions. And I hope you successfully download it and are ready to go. And I'll see you at the training.